Life at times creates things so strange they feel borrowed from somewhere else. Immortal bodies, electric senses, organisms that behave like living machines. Here are 5 real creatures scientists still can't fully explain, each one stretching the limits of what life on Earth should be able to do. Number 5. The Platypus. Australia. If you've never heard much about the platypus, it sounds made up. It lives in rivers in eastern Australia and looks harmless at first. Small body, thick fur, flat bill, wide tail. Most people assume it's just another odd-looking animal and move on. But once you actually learn how it works, it becomes hard to forget. The platypus doesn't hunt the way you'd expect. When it goes underwater, it closes its eyes, ears, and nostrils completely. So it's not using sight, sound, or smell to find food. Instead, it relies on something called electroreception. Its bill can detect tiny electrical signals produced by muscle movement in other animals. That means when something moves nearby, the platypus can sense it without seeing it. It just swims along the riverbed, picking up food based on those signals. It's quiet, efficient, and very different from other predators. Then there's the part people usually don't expect. Male platypuses are venomous. They have a sharp spur on their back legs connected to venom glands. If they use it, the pain is extreme and can last for weeks. It's not usually deadly to humans, but it's powerful enough to seriously injure other animals. On top of that, the platypus lays eggs instead of giving birth. But once the egg hatches, it feeds its young with milk, even though it doesn't have nipples. The milk is released through the skin. When the platypus was first studied, many scientists didn't believe it was real. They thought it was a hoax made from stitched animal parts. Platypus is one of those animals that made you realize nature doesn't try to be logical or tidy. It just works. Number 4. The Giant Squid. The giant squid lives far below the surface of the ocean, in areas where sunlight never reaches. The part of the sea is completely dark, cold, and under intense pressure. It's not a place humans can easily explore, which is one reason the giant squid stayed mostly unknown for so long. Even today, very few have ever seen one alive. What makes the giant squid difficult to understand is how rarely it shows itself. When people do encounter one, they usually don't see the whole animal. They notice parts of it at first, a long arm, a pale shape moving through the water, or a sudden motion that disappears almost immediately. It seems to avoid attention without trying. One of the most noticeable features of the giant squid is its eyes. They are the largest eyes of any known animal, each one about the size of a human head. These eyes aren't meant to see fine detail. Instead, they're designed to detect movement in near total darkness. If something large moves nearby, the squid can sense it instantly. When the giant squid feeds, it happens very fast. Its long tentacles shoot forward and pull prey in almost instantly. There's no visible struggle and no dramatic chase. The prey simply disappears. Scientists believe the squid spends most of its life avoiding anything unfamiliar, including humans. Cameras, bright lights, and noise often cause it to retreat. Most of what we know about giant squids comes from indirect evidence. Beaks found inside whales, damaged tentacles pulled up in fishing nets, and short video clips that end before much can be observed. Number 3. The Immortal Jellyfish. In warm coastal waters around the world, there is a tiny jellyfish that most people would never notice. It's about the size of a fingernail and looks fragile with a nearly transparent body and thin tentacles. Nothing about it suggests that it's unusual, but biologically it does something no other known animal can do. When most animals are injured, starved, or exposed to harsh conditions, their bodies begin to shut down and eventually fail. The jellyfish reacts differently. Instead of dying, it reverses its life cycle. Its cells change function and return the animal to an earlier stage of development. It becomes a polyp, attached to itself to a surface like a rock or shell, and slowly begins growing into a new jellyfish again. This process doesn't happen once. It can happen repeatedly. In theory, this means the jellyfish doesn't have a natural biological age limit. It could avoid death caused by aging entirely. In reality, many still die due to predators or disease, but the ability itself breaks one of biology's most basic rules. Scientists have studied this jellyfish for years, trying to understand how the reversal works. They've identified some of the genes involved, but the full process is still unclear. The jellyfish is essentially able to reset its own biological clock, something no other complex organism can do. It doesn't fight death, it avoids it. This small, easily overlooked animal forces scientists to rethink what aging and death really mean. Number 2. The Siphonophore, deep pelagic oceans. The Siphonophore lives in the open ocean, far from land and far below the surface. At first glance, it looks like a single extremely long animal drifting through the water. Some Siphonophores stretch longer than a blue whale, but that first impression is misleading. A Siphonophore is not one animal. It's a colony made up of thousands of individual organisms, all physically connected and working together. Each one has a specific role. Some help the colony move, some catch food, others handle digestion or reproduction. None of them can survive on their own. What makes this strange is that there's no central brain controlling everything. The colony doesn't have a leader. It functions through coordination, with signals passing between its parts. When the Siphonophore moves, the motion happens in waves across the colony. It looks controlled, but no single part is in charge. Long tentacles hang beneath the colony, filled with stinging cells that can paralyze prey on contact. Fish that swim too close don't realize what's happening until it's too late. Once caught, the prey is passed along the colony and processed efficiently. Scientists describe Siphonophores as superorganisms, meaning they act like a single creature even though they're made of many. It looks intentional, without having intent in the way we understand it. The Siphonophore challenges the idea of what an individual animal even is. It exists somewhere between one creature and many, operating successfully in an environment where mistakes don't last long. Number 1. The Tardigrade, moss, soil, and the edges of extremes. Tardigrades are microscopic animals that live in small amounts of moisture found in moss, soil, and on rocks. Most people never notice them, even under a microscope. They don't look particularly impressive. They're round, slow-moving, and simple in appearance. In normal conditions, tardigrades live quietly. They feed, move slowly, and reproduce without doing anything remarkable. But when their environment becomes dangerous, they respond in a way that almost no other animal can. If the water around them dries up, the tardigrade shuts down nearly all biological activity. Its body contracts, loses moisture, and enters a state where its metabolism effectively stops. In this form, it doesn't need food or water. It can remain this way for years. While in this state, tardigrades can survive freezing temperatures, extreme heat, intense radiation, crushing pressure, and even the vacuum of space. Scientists have identified some of the proteins and sugars that protect the tardigrade cells during this process, but they still don't fully understand how everything works together. The tardigrade shows that survival doesn't always require strength, speed, or intelligence. Sometimes it just requires knowing when to stop and wait. Which of these creatures unsettled you the most? Let us know your picks in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video.